Good morning, everybody. Welcome to My Creative Time with Emma, and also welcome to another 48-hour flash sale and blog hop. But this is a special flash sale because we are actually releasing one new die. I have gotten lots of requests for this. My let's see, my little line of the cute tags have been a huge hit, and I've gotten lots of requests for this particular one that we are releasing today. So I am going to go ahead, show you the project I made with it, and you'll see what I'm talking about, okay? So I always like to do stuff ahead of time, especially not all the time, but like for Mother's Day, I always keep in mind, like, you know, my sisters, because usually I just see my sisters and my mom, but I like to give my sisters, we don't have to give each other something, but we always just do something little. So, of course, when I was at Starbucks, I thought I'd pick up an extra, extra little gift cards. And I had a whole bunch of these little, I don't know what kind, they're canvas bags. I'm not sure what they're called, but I put our brand new die on here. This is called the Cute Flower Tag die. And instead of putting it on a ribbon, what I did was I just opened it, because see, basically, as you could see, I put the little gift card in and I made sure it matched. And then you just go ahead and just close it up. But before I did that, okay, hold on. Before I close it up, I put the little gift tag and I went ahead and I stapled it, on the inside so it could be perfect. Then you just close it, and then we are also releasing a brand new mini spring greeting stamp set, and I'll show you that as well. So, and it fits perfectly in there, and this one says Happy Mother's Day, and I went ahead and I just decorated around it. I just used my little white Sakura gel pen, and I made little mini polka dots around Happy Mother's Day. And I thought it came out super duper cute. I am so in love with this flower. It's called the Cute Flower Tag Die. So I'm going to go ahead and put one together for you, just so you could see how it's done. Same scenario like all the other ones, but I'm going to go ahead and do it for you right now. And I think this is a super cute idea because, like I said, we like to do something simple, for my sisters. So I got to make one more like this, okay? So let's show you the tag, actually the Cute Flower Tag die first, okay? Now when you get it, this is big. It's actually a pretty good size die. Let me take them out. I just kind of separated them so they could fit in my little packaging I have for them. So when you get it, I can't remember if it comes like this, all put together like so. And then with that right there. So there are a total of 4 dies all together. I'm not sure if you could see that or not. So it ends up being a really big tag. Okay, but it's because we have all the layers that go with it. So I am going to quickly show you what they look like when you cut them out, okay? So like I said, similar to the other one. So basically, when you cut it out in your machine, it's going to come out like so, okay? There are some embossed lines there. So if you want to go ahead and just kind of do it, fix it with your bone folder just to kind of get a good crease, you can. So we're going to go ahead and do that. But before we let's go ahead and add our layer. So after you go ahead and you fold it and get your little crease down, go ahead and open it again and turn it upside down because we're going to go ahead and put the layers on, okay? So we are going to start off. Now the first layer is always going to be the same size of the actual flower right there, okay? Only because I want to layer on top. The only die probably I did not have a layer for was, I believe, the Cute 4-leaf tag die. And I love these because you could make them into cute, you could decorate the little packages really sweet with these. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this on here. So I'm just trying to layer it up as even as possible. There we go. Okay, there goes the first layer there. And then now we're going to go ahead and put on the second layer which I actually cut out in white, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and just throw some adhesive, and these are really easy to mass produce. So if you need some cute tags, I think these will even look cute for a baby shower. Someone had asked me for some tags, ideas for actually not a baby shower, for a wedding shower. And this is one of the ideas I'm going to give them. Using this, well, not this particular one, but using their wedding colors and so they could see, because they want it for their wedding shower. And that's super duper cute. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put the little circle on, which, let's pop up the circle. Let me grab a little tape here. Alright, let me grab my scissors and give this a little trim. And I'm just using this right here, this kind. And we're going to put that like so. And then we are just going to use my little tweezers. Put this right here in the center, just like so. Okay, and then what we're going to do, and here goes the new stamps that coordinate with it. This is called Mini Spring Greetings, and I love this because I also have a Mini Christmas Greetings, and that's my favorite one. So we are going to go, so there's a few, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stamps in here. So then, since I'm going to need another one for Mother's Day, we're going to go ahead and stamp Happy Mother's Day in here again, because I have 2 sisters, so I'm definitely going to need one for each. Let me grab my little stamp block here, and let me grab my archival ink. We're using the black archival ink with this to stamp the inside. I'm just going to go ahead and ink this up really well to make sure we get a good impression, I should say. And then I'm just going to go ahead and kind of you see where these two right here, where the fold is, that's where I'm going to guide, that's going to be my guide where to put the stamp. So this way when you close it, you won't see it, okay? Perfect. Okay, so it says Happy Mother's Day. Uh-oh, I hope I didn't get that on there. Oh, thank God. Okay, I thought I moved it too far. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing like I did with the other one, okay? Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and just add little polka dots, just like I did with the other one, because I just thought, you know what, why not add a little something on the inside? And I'm just randomly just putting them, you know what I'm saying, in no special order. These I'm making smaller. These polka dots are going to be a little bit smaller than the other ones. Just like so. And then that is it. So I just have to put it in a bag, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same concept, and I'm going to go ahead and staple it on with a gift card as well. So that is it, my sweet friends. I really hope you enjoy this brand new die. I super duper love it. So go ahead and head on over to my blog at www.creativetimeforme.com to see what everybody has designed using this brand new die. And I think this die is perfect because there's even like birthday wishes in here. You could do birthdays or spring wishes. I mean, this is perfect for springtime right now because we're definitely getting that spring weather again. Well, finally, because we've had lots of rain. So don't forget to leave your comments on all of our blogs for a chance to win a gift card to my store, and I will announce that winner on my blog by next Wednesday. Okay, everybody? So thank you so very much for tuning in. Have a fabulous day and a happy, happy Easter, and I will see you all back here next week. Bye-bye. Oh, I had to come right back on because I forgot to tell you very important information. Since this is a 48-hour flash sale, The sale starts right now, which is Friday, March 30th at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And it will run through Sunday, which will be April 1st on Easter. Actually, yeah, it'll run through Easter, and it will be for, since it's Easter, usually it's a 48-hour sale, and I usually end it at 7 a.m. on Sunday. But since it's Easter, let's go ahead. I decided to go ahead and let it end on 7 p.m. on Sunday, which is April 1st. So I'll give you an extra few hours. Okay, everybody? So don't forget to use the code FLASH at checkout, and it's all capital letters, FLASH. Use that code at checkout to get your discount, and you will get 20% off of your entire purchase, and that applies to all in-stock items only. Okay, everybody, and the only thing I will make available for pre-orders, that if I were to sell out of these tags, I will make them available for pre-order along with the mini spring greetings. Okay, everybody? So thank you so very much for tuning in. Have a fabulous weekend and a happy Easter, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.